Welcome to another tutorial Tuesday. And yeah, man, this week we are going to continue with the website. I changed it. I'm now making it more of a law firm related website. So the first thing that I'm going to do is work on the homepage. I'm going to add the copy. As you can see, it looks like this. So we're going to change it and make it into something new. So I might not be able to do everything on here, but I'm going to try and do as much as I can in the next 10 minutes. So that I'm going to try and make it as short as I can. But in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to try and change all of this into something nice. I'm not going to worry too much about the images because the images are not, it's something that I'm going to do in another video in terms of where to go about finding images. So yeah, with that being said, so if you remember from the last video, I started here with, I showed you guys how to go about getting the copy. So this is how I got the copy. And with the copy, I basically put into ChatGPT what I'm trying to do and what I want to get out of it. And this is what ChatGPT gave me. I somewhat tweaked it and made it a little bit more personal. But I'm going to copy it as it is because, as you can see, I was having a back and forth with ChatGPT in terms of refining what it gave me so that I can get something I would like to use. But obviously, if it's your business, you have a better understanding, you will spend more time on it. I'm doing a tutorial. I'm not going to make it perfect. I could find better ways of putting this together. So without any further delays, let's get into it, man. So I'm going to first get started on enable editing. We all should know by now how to get here. We should all know how to get here. So So now that we are here, I am going to the hero section. I like this, empowering your workplace, protecting your rights. So I'm just going to copy that. That I like. It's what I'm going to use here. Empowering your workplace, protecting your rights. I think that for me works well. Maybe the only thing I could change here is the size. But for now, I'm happy with it. I'm not too mad at it. What I can do is maybe change this from 8, reduce it. Didn't want it to be that small. Okay, I think that's fine. Yeah, that should be fine. Yeah, 3 should be fine. So that's that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to add the subtitle, which is what we got here. So now I'm going to add that subtitle, expert labor law guidance for businesses and individuals. So then here, that's fine. This I'm going to tweak it to say book consultation. Book a consultation. Let's say book a free consultation. And then here, I don't want to overcrowd it with call to actions. It's better to just put one call to action. That way, people don't feel overburdened, overcrowded with options. So I'm going to delete that and just say book a free consultation. Here, I'm going to change this. I'm going to say businesses. And then I have the copy for the businesses, which is here. I redrafted it. So here what I'm doing is I'm putting together the pain points for the business. So yeah. So this is what the business owner would likely be suffering with or be faced with, so I like that. I just need to change the text, body text. I'm gonna change it the size to 15. I don't like it at 12, at 14, so I'll change it to 15. And then content, okay, I'm okay with that for now. Yeah, no, it's fine for now. Let me first start with putting together the copy, and then we're gonna change the look and feel of it. So here I'm gonna go with individuals. And then it's the same. I did something here. Here we go. Okay, this, I need to change the size also to 15. Not that size, to 15 also. Body text. Where are we? 15. I'm okay with that for now. And then here I'm gonna come up with a witty. I'm gonna come up with a witty call to action or something here. But for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. Here's a solution. I'm gonna go at. There's a solution that was given to us here. So remember we said this is gonna be Gwena Incorporated. Why is it Keenan? Gwena Incorporated. This is a call to action where it says learn more. It's gonna bring it down to here where you can see specialized. So we'll get to that. Gwena Motors. I think I'm gonna copy this and make it our call to action here, because once again it's something that I want us to, when they see something more than once, we want to reaffirm our position that we're expert labor law, labor lawyers or labor practitioners. In this case, we're simply reaffirming that expert labor law guidance for businesses and and individuals. So, and then we obviously say, yeah. So I'm gonna do that. Let me do this. Learn more. I'm gonna leave it there as it is. So far it's starting to take shape. It's not great, but it is. When you're going through it, you can see what's going on. it's always good to start off with what the person is suffering with, whether they're businesses or individuals. What I'm going to do is tweak this a little bit. I know I said I was not going to do this now, but it's not sitting well with me. I think I want it to be all caps, and I want it center aligned and bold. Where's bold? Where is bold? Semi bold. I want it bold. And so you saw what I did. I changed this. So what I'm going to do now is, in order for me to make the same changes here, I'm going to do this and then copy, right click and copy module styles. See here, module styles, copy, right click, paste module styles. Why is it all of a sudden gone? Okay. Oh, I forgot. The body text was white. On this one, it's should be white. Okay, cool. Yeah, but the idea is to copy the style. I am going to, I don't know if I should keep this icon. I wouldn't keep this icon for now. Maybe, actually, no. I'm going to keep the icon. It's fine. Then I'm not going to center align it. I'm just going to keep it to the left so that at least it's not too far from the icon. So I'm just going to keep it there for now. Icon, I'm going to look for an icon. Let's see. So I'm going to change the icon. I'm going to search for business. What icon screams business? This looks like a briefcase, which looks like work, but this, for me, resonates business. It looks like, that looks like a bank. This looks like, I think this for me is the one that speaks to me and says business. So that's what I'm doing that side, and then this side, I'm gonna tweak it some more. Same story. Icon, I'm gonna go to thingy. Icon, here I'm gonna search for individual, nope, person. Say person. I think I'm gonna do that. But it's an individual, so let me go with one person rather than two. I would have loved this icon of a person. I would have loved two, but it makes more sense to have it just as a person. So, and obviously the alignment, I'm gonna change it to here so that it aligns accordingly. And so far I'm happy with that. I'm not too mad at it. I could change something else here, but I'm happy with that. I'm gonna try and actually change the text color here to match this one and be white. Let's see what it looks like. But I think the black on yellow looks nice personally. Yeah, no, the black on yellow looks nice. It looks, so yeah, I'm gonna change the font size. Try and be uniform in your font size. So I'm gonna change it to whoa, is it already 16? I don't know. It's fine. I can leave it at 16. Try and be uniform, but I'll leave it at 16 for now. I'm gonna change the font color to be exact black, because I don't think it is black per se. So yeah, there we go. I wanted it to be black so that it stands out. And book a consultation, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with this. So here now we're gonna move on to our services. And then here we go. I did something. Where is it? I think for services I went to Bard or Gemini as it's called now. So I went to Gemini. So you can use as many as you want. Sometimes ChatGPT is a bit sloppy. So I went to Gemini and let's see. Here we go. We provide comprehensive legal support to address your unique labor concerns. See, that's what I'm going to put here. That I'm happy with. I'm going to change the font size because I feel like it should be slightly bigger. And text. Why is it so small? Maybe it's because I'm wearing glasses. But I guess that can work. But personally, I would have loved it to be a bit bigger. But let's leave it at decent. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it as it is, Not everything has to be jarring and be out there. So employment contract and policies, that is our first one. So I'm gonna go here, paste it. Employment contracts and policies, disciplinary grievances, procedures. And workplace disputes and negotiation. Unfair labor practices. Litigations and appeals. Workplace safety and injury compensation. I wouldn't put this in, but hey. Let's see if ChatGPT gave me one that I can work with. I think workplace investigations. I think that's much shorter. Let's just say investigations. Is it investigations? Yeah, investigations. So at least that's one-liners. The top ones are two-liners. And then from there, just copy it as it is. It's quite easy. I hope you guys get the idea, Just copy and paste. Adjust it to what you think is ideal. Obviously, I'm going to come back and rework this, but the idea is to get a skeleton going. And so far, I'm happy with the progress that we've made so far. I can't really complain much. I'm okay with this. And then here where it says view all programs, we can actually we can actually add this. So I'm just gonna say yes, and then So this, or view all services. This will take us to other services. So you'll find that these are the main services, and then we've got additional services such as maybe you do commercial related things, or you do conveyancing, or you do notary. Just this is your main business where you do labor. So far, when somebody comes to your website, they know, you're empowering the workplace, protecting your rights. So you're empowering the business's workplace, and you're protecting the individual's rights at the same time. That's why we went with this. So far this is where we are. I'm happy with that. You've listed the pain points of your clients. You've answered these pain points somewhat. And they understand, and then they can learn more by coming down here and seeing what's happening. You see, we've discrimination, litigation, employment contracts. These are some of the pain points you listed there. So we're just showing you what we do. And then here now, it's going to be additional stuff. So if we go back to ChatGPT, the information that we would likely put in, I am not too sure yet, but here we've got this. Personally, here I would put like maybe our mission, who we are, speak more in depth about who we are, our founders, what we do, our mission, our vision, and just talk. Now you can talk about yourself. You've told them what their issues are and how you can go about resolving them. Now you can talk about yourself. So here we're now going to add something to talk about our mission and vision. So that's for the next video. But for this video, I just wanted to show you how to go about getting the homepage ready, because this is the most important part. When people come here, they want to know, they've got labor law issues, they've got employee conflicts, they're struggling with standards, employment contracts, or if they're an individual, they've been discriminated against, they've been harassed. They see this immediately, they know this is for me. So I hope this helps, and yeah, we'll continue with it. We'll see you in the next one next week. I know so far we're getting there. Next week I'm gonna finish off this homepage, and then I'm also gonna change the aesthetics, and hopefully I would have found images to update this. With that being said, remember, love, peace, and prosperity.